In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the payment settings on Squarespace with the help of Google. Let's dive right into it. First, we want to get ourselves over to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already made your way there, go ahead and launch your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Squarespace or simply search for it on Google. It should pop right up at the top of the results. Once the page loads, you'll notice a sleek, modern interface that's designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Taking a moment to appreciate the layout here can really help you find your way around more efficiently. Next, we're heading to the search icon within Squarespace. This little helper is usually located at the top or along one of the corners, represented by a magnifying glass icon, a universal symbol that's hard to miss. With just one click on that icon, you'll open up a search bar. Type Payments into this bar. The search functionality is pretty robust, so it should quickly present you with relevant options. This is where you can start exploring the different payment methods that Squarespace supports. After you've entered the search term, take a look at the various payment options that appear. Options could include popular payment processors or more tailored services, depending on your business needs. Choose a specific payment method that aligns with how you want to handle transactions on your site. Perhaps you'll go with something widely used, like PayPal, to ensure ease of use and customer trust. Remember that different payment methods might come with their own terms or fees, which is worth considering as you make your choice. If you find a method that seems ideal, click on it to learn more about its integration and proceed with setting it up according to your preferences. And just like that, you are done. You've successfully navigated to Squarespace and searched for the various payment methods available, now all set to manage your online transactions smoothly. It's always a good feeling to know exactly where to access these features, simplifying your daily tasks and enhancing your overall experience with your website. To wrap up, these simple yet effective steps should empower you to find and choose the right payment methods swiftly, helping your online store or business function more smoothly and efficiently. If you ever get stuck, remember that Squarespace has extensive support resources to guide you further. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial, and happy configuring.